Thank you. You have a good one. I confused him. All right.
Brain computing.
Sprouts to make sure we got the right thing.
The shoes did great. I am pooped though. I feel like I can't hear out of my left ear. But that's fine. It was good. Good class. Shoes are such a big difference. So, very, very happy. Hi. Got those boxes to mail and all this stuff to mail. So, I'm going to go to the post office. I'm hoping that they're still open. It's going to be cutting it a little close, but hopefully they're open so I can mail all this stuff off. So I'm going to mail a lot to my sister and some to my cousins. So yeah. Well, so much for doing some more stuff in town. I got those things mailed off, so that was good. But we tried to go into town and the traffic is the worst I've ever seen it. It was so bad. We were stuck in traffic, like just on one of the first roads that you get into town for literally like 30 minutes. And then we went half a mile, maybe. That's generous. Yeah, we did not go very far. So we turned around and came home, which I'm glad we did, because whenever we saw the traffic going into town on the way out of town, it was like so bad. So bad. But yeah. So I am here now eating pistachios. No, it's a really good one. Good. But yeah. So much for going into town. We're back home now. I'm going to make dinner, work out, eat my pistachios. So hopefully tomorrow will be better. So
3 and clap back up. Ladies go. 1, 2, 3 and clap back up. Just go. 1, 2, 3. Newest partner, shake right, shake left. 2 hand turn, 2 hand turn. Promenade, promenade, promenade. Just move forward. Shake right, shake left. Promenade, promenade. Everybody's facing. And here we go.
Shady Grove, my darling, Shady Grove, my little love. I'm going back to Harlan. Went to see my Shady Grove. She's standing in that door, shoes and stockings in her hand, little bare feet on the floor. Shady Grove, my little love, Shady Grove, I know. Shady Grove, my little love, I am about to go. Shady Grove, my little love, Shady Grove, my darling, Shady Grove, my little love. I'm going back to Harlan. Went to see my Shady Grove. She's standing in that door, shoes and stockings in her hand, little bare feet on the floor. Shady Grove, my little love, Shady Grove, I know. Shady Grove, my little love, I am about to
Keep going. It's always good to end with a group hug. All right. Thank you for dancing with me. Y'all have been great. My name is Anna Claire.
good morning. So today is Friday. There's a chicken in the room if you can hear the chicken. I'm sorry. Hush. What are you talking about? Shh. Oh my goodness. Anyway, it is Friday. I'm so tired. I have so much to do today. And we have a gig tonight, so I am getting some coffee and getting my day rolling. Good news. I did finish editing my vlog from last week, so I'm going to post that today. So that's exciting. Yeah. I'm really going to try my hardest to do a weekly schedule. And I might post on Fridays. That gives me enough time to kind of get it done. Either Friday or Saturday. We'll see. We'll see how it goes. I'm not going to be too strict with myself. Just getting back into it and stuff. So, but yeah. Busy day. coffee time and I'm going to post my video from last week. I'm so excited. Okay, I'll talk to you later. Bye. Cannot believe that it is February 2nd and I am out here in no sleeves and warm and I'm ready to start planting, man. I'm ready to start planting. But yeah, and what was it, 2 weeks ago? 3 weeks ago? It was one of the biggest snows that we've ever had here. Hi. I heard you were a menace this morning. You wanna go outside some? Yeah? Get you outside. Oh. She doesn't like people at all. Not at all, do ya? Go, roam. Be free. So bright. Got a dishwasher. Weren't expecting to. We were just trying to fix our dishwasher that's been leaking since I can't remember when. But yeah, so we put the sound system, our normal stuff, and a dishwasher in here. Win for the Subaru. Yeah. Which one's which?
Alright, thank you. We'll find out.
They should both taste about the same though.
Mine has Greek yogurt, so it should be thicker.
Mine has Greek yogurt. Pineapple mango.
What have we done? Is that yours?
I think this one's yours. They taste the same. I'll take this one. I think this one's more pineapple-y. Beautiful.
I don't even have to level it. It just fits perfectly.
It's so dark in there.
Isn't it?
Yeah. Old one.
I mean, look, it's still got the freaking...
Yeah.
They didn't run it long if it's got the
No.
sticker in there.
Yeah. I think.
Out. I don't hear you. Out. Yeah, thank you.
I get the whole, I think that one.
Yeah. Packaged so well.
It really is. It's really good packaging.
Yeah, that's super good packaging. For $35. Yeah, I'm happy with that.
It is Sunday night right now. I'm going to work out and then I'm going to go over to Dad's and go watch either a movie or a TV show or something. So that's probably it for this vlog though, guys. Thank you so much for watching and I will see you in the next one. Bye.